Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Jim, long time no see, buddy. Where have you been? Hi, Pat. Nowhere far. I went to Bandung for a couple of months. I haven't seen Mike for a while now. Where has he gone to this time? He has gone to Europe. For how long? About 5 months. Wow! He has been to a lot of countries, hasn't he? Yes, he has. Tell Mike, we should have a get-together sometime when he's back. Sure, will do. Conversation 2. Mike, how have you been? Hi, Pat. I went to Europe for a few months. How's Europe? Very cold at this time of year. I went there when it was summer, and it's almost winter now. How many times have you been to Europe? Twice. I've been to Europe twice. What countries have you been to? So far, 5. I've been to the United Kingdom, Italy, Germany, France, and Singapore. You're quite a traveler, aren't you? I do like to travel. How about we do a group travel? I'm saving up for a trip to Japan. Sounds good. I'll get the others to come as well. Now let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. Where have you been? Where has he gone to this time? We should have a get-together sometime. How have you been? How are you? How's it going? How many times have you been to Europe? How many times have you been there? I have been there twice. What countries have you been to? I've been to the United Kingdom. I'm saving up for a trip to Japan. I'll get the others to come as well. Notes. Where have you been? Dan where has he gone? Kita mengatakan where have you been yang artinya kemana saja kamu kepada orang yang telah melakukan perjalanan di masa lampau dan orang tersebut telah kembali dari perjalanannya. Kita mengatakan where has he gone yang artinya kemana dia pergi ketika kita menanyakan tentang seseorang yang sedang melakukan perjalanan. Orang tersebut masih dalam perjalanannya dan belum kembali. Mari kita perhatikan dua kalimat ini. Di kalimat pertama, he has been to a lot of countries. Maksudnya, selama dia hidup, dia sudah pergi ke banyak negara dan sudah kembali. Jika kita ingat di percakapan yang pertama, Pat bertemu dengan Jim dan menanyakan, where have you been? Berarti Jim telah pergi ke suatu tempat dan sekarang telah kembali. Makanya Pat menggunakan been. Where have you been? Di kalimat he has gone to Europe, maksudnya dia telah pergi ke Eropa. Dan saat ini masih di Eropa. Dia belum kembali. Makanya pada saat Pat menanyakan ke Jim tentang Mike, dia menggunakan kata gone. Where has he gone to this time? What countries have you been to? I have been to Thailand and Turkey. How many times have you been to Thailand? I have been to Thailand 4 times. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.